Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how to write a proper review on Google Maps. It's actually super quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Google Maps and search for any particular restaurants, shop, or place you want to give a review. Right? I'm just going to pick any random restaurant over here. So for example, just this. Okay. I'm going to click this particular place or shop. Over here, we will have the reviews tab. Click on that and then write a review. You will also see various reviews from other people as well. So go ahead, click on this. Then you should now be able to rate this shop. Okay, 4 stars, 5 stars, and then tell or detail your own experience. You can even attach videos and photos if needed. And depending on the shop or restaurant, there should be more options in here, like for example, food, service, customer service, and also breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Once done, make sure to hit post, and you're done. You're all good to go. You have now successfully written a proper, honest review in Google Maps. I hope you found this video very helpful.